Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here to take you on a quick product tour of Right-Click Tools Enterprise to show off just a few of the features that make it a must-have for your config manager environment. So first off, let's take a look at our actionable dashboards. So we are in our config manager console. I've expanded our Recast software node and our Right-Click Tools node within, and this will give us a list of the actionable dashboards that we have. So we have dashboards related to BitLocker, LAPS, but let's go ahead and take a look at the software update deployment status dashboard. So this dashboard is going to give us a good view of our software update compliance across our environment. See how we can actually take action right within this dashboard. So if we go ahead and click on one of the pieces of the pie here, we get a list of the devices. So I've opened up our non-compliant devices here, and from here we can actually select these devices. We can do multiple if we need to. We can go ahead and right click, and then from here we can take our right click tools actions, and that's actually going to lead us into our next feature. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of our fan favorites, the Remote Software Center tool. So if we go to our client tools, we can go ahead and open up Remote Software Center. The Remote Software Center tool is going to give you the same experience as if you were to open Software Center on somebody's device, but you can do it remotely without even having to get in touch with the user or remote into their device. Since we're using an enterprise license, we can actually pull it up on multiple devices at once. And we can go to our Software Updates tab here and actually kick those updates off on those devices all at once here if we needed to. So next piece we'll look at here is the Recast Management Server. This is going to be a central management location for you to manage all of your Recast related products. In the context of Right-Click Tools Enterprise Edition, we're going to get some of those dashboards that we saw earlier in a web format. So we could go ahead and pull up our software updates dashboard from here. So here I pulled up that same report that we just looked at in the Config Manager console, now in the web format. One great thing about these web dashboards is that you can send these to maybe management or security, and you don't even need to give them any permissions to Config Manager if you want to keep their hands out of it. The Recast Management Server also enables you to set up role-based permissions for your right-click tools actions, so you can have a little bit more granular control over what admins can and can't do. That was just a brief overview of a couple of the features that make Right-Click Tools Enterprise a must-have for your Config Manager environment.